Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'd like to show you another interesting gadget which I've recently received, and that's a line winder. If you'll find the content useful, don't forget to put a thumbs up, as it really gives a motivation on creating new content, and also you can subscribe to the channel if you'd like to support it, as it is pretty new. I was already able to test it out myself and it works pretty well, so I don't want to waste your time and I'll just show you how it works. So what you do, you just remove this rubber, unscrew this part, remove it, remove the spring and remove the bobbin holder. Then you take the bobbin, put it onto the tool, you put the holder, the spring, the screw, like so, just tighten it up and put a rubber. And that is basically it. One other thing, that this gadget, it has this sucker over here and basically this plastic moving part which allows you to hold it pretty tight on a flat surface. So how to operate it? You just put it on a flat surface and put it down. That is basically it. It holds pretty well and it allows you to put the line onto the spool pretty easy and fast. So that is basically it, and if you would like to check the price, I'll put the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and well, I'll see you in the next video.